So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you want to select adjust for best performance, which will now unselect everything. Now you're going to click on custom, and now everything should still be unselected. However, now you want to select show thumbnails instead of icons. You want to tick this, and then you want to tick smooth edges of screen fonts. You want to tick this one as well. So you want to tick both of these, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in edit power plan. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you're going to click on power options on the top, and now you're going to click on power saver. If you don't see power saver, then if you click on the arrow right here, it should appear right here. So you're going to click on power saver. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it, and then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on system, and now you're going to click on power. And then once this comes up, you're going to set the power mode to best power efficiency. Then you want to expand energy saver. You're going to turn this on. And then once you do that, you're going to click on energy recommendations. And if you want to, you can apply any of these recommendations that it tells you right here.